Hi berries, welcome back to my channel. I wish you all a happy new year. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make permanent pink lip scrub. But before that, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So to make this pink lip scrub, you'll be needing lemon oil, you'll be needing peppermint oil, you'll be needing rose pink food coloring, you'll be needing honey, and you'll be needing white sugar. So firstly guys, in a clean bowl I'm putting 4 tablespoons of my white sugar, next I'm putting 1 teaspoon of my rose pink food coloring. I'm just putting it in bits and mixing. Next, I'm putting 1 teaspoon of my honey. I'm now putting 1 teaspoon of my lemon oil. Lastly, I'm putting 1 teaspoon of my peppermint oil. If you're making this in a larger quantity, all you have to do is to add up the measurements, and don't forget to add your preservatives, okay? Our pink lip scrub is ready. For faster results, scrub your lips in the morning before applying your pink lip balm, and also at night before applying your pink lip balm. So guys, this is all for today. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, don't forget to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.